going to be a very long journey without any music. And big blue tank engine Thomas is getting grumpy already. He needs a bit of cheering up.
Wake up! Such a lovely day. You got a job to do. Maybe you don't wanna do it, but hey. If you wanna be happy, tell me what's stopping you. When you're grumpy, you're in your own way.
There's also much to discover. If you open your eyes, you might even uncover your own smile. Do you really want to be stormy? Always under a cloud. Just be happy and go the extra mile. Wake up. Cheer up. Wake up.
Amy, what have they done to you?
As big as that beautiful sky. Don't let the world pass you by. Lazima kupita wewe na.
A bad mood is like a blindfold. It covers up your eyes. It makes the world around you dark as night. Just shake it off until you move it around. You can do it if you try. See it all in a new light.
It's like a war zone or something. Oh, hang on.
You need to be
You're
careful about animals on the tracks.
Oh, I know all about that.
you're already programmed for
I'm back on Sodor. I just give a little peep on my whistle, and they soon get off the track.
goodness and positivity. Finally, Sonic the Hedgehog finally has a new series. Tonight we're gonna draw Rusty Rose from the new series Sonic Prime. I don't know how it was possible, but thanks to a weapon known as the Paradox Prism, the timeline that Sonic and his friends live in was shattered into 5. Sonic now has a mission to gather all the pieces and restore his prime place back to the way it was. And well, his first task, well, at first he saw that Sonic had discovered that, well, Robotnik had created his own city, and his personality was divided into 5, now known as the Chaos Council. 5 makes 1, 1 becomes 5. They're not really famous to Sonic. Anyhow, this young fellow was named Amy. For some reason, they experimented on her and mechanicized her. They roboticized her and upgraded her into a into a mechanical beast. And, well, she doesn't have that hammer anymore. She doesn't need it. Well, she was bad until that reality's form, 9 managed to reprogram her into a good fighting machine. Hopefully they'll find a way to restore her memory and bring her back to her senses. She's more scarier than the Metarex. Say, I wonder if the Metarex are going to be in this series. It would be interesting to see that. Hopefully we'll get to see Rusty Rose get revenge on the Robotnik Council.
There's a band of pirates high above the waves. Ragtag clan of tyrants steady at the reins. Like a ninja, you gotta study the sea. Like a ninja, take the whole ship under siege. A real ninja always thinks of something. Comes to save the day.
There we are. There's a lot of pirates found on Sonic's new series. There we are. This part of her is the mechanical eye patch. On the thumbnail, I'm gonna paint it yellow instead of red. Just a reminder that she's on the good side. There she is, everyone. The mechanical fighting machine, Rusty Rose. If you're watching this, just to remind you, I would like to thank you all for the privilege of enjoying this episode. One more thing. Robotnik, if you're watching this, I'm coming for you. That's the message from Rusty Rose. Stegosaurus, see you later, everyone. I'm coming for you guys. You hear me? I'm coming for you.